In times like these, what makes a car number one? Why is Ford Granada outselling all other 75 newcomers combined? Why is Ford Mustang II outselling all other small sporty luxury cars combined? Why is Ford Pinto America's best-selling subcompact? Ford thinks it's people looking for value, looking at what a car costs and what you get for that money. Granada, Mustang II, and Pinto are success cars because they're value cars.
Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now.
Hi. What's America's lowest base sticker price compact? Ford Maverick. Don't forget the provolone. And Maverick's lower price includes steel-belted radials and lots more. Salami. It's traditionally America's best-selling four-door compact. The 5-passenger Maverick, sticker priced about $200 less than the 4-passenger AMC Pacer. You can get 3 in this back seat.
We didn't know that. Oh, we did.
Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now.
Look, Ford has redesigned the van. It's a 75 Ford Econoline, and we'll show you the major improvements over last year's with our special X-ray viewer. We moved the engine forward nearly 18 inches to give you more walk-around room. There are new options, too, like these swiveling captain's chairs. And now a choice of 3 engines and new features, wider door openings, over a foot more center load length.
Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now.
In our family, there are 2 ways to look at everything.
I didn't know that.
These 2 Ford wagons look alike, but the LTD Country Squire is mine, and I really need this kind of room and comfort in my wagon.
You take the Country Squire, I'll take the Country Squirt. That's what I call my Pinto wagon. It's more my size, but has plenty of room and pep, and it's America's best-selling wagon.
My Country Squire.
My little Country Squirt.
The closer you look, the better we look at your Ford dealer.
Look close. Behind every Ford cash rebate is a winner, like Mustang II, outselling all its competitors' small luxury cars combined. Get $500 on a Ghia or Mach 1, $300 on other models. Another winner, Maverick, America's best-selling 4-door compact and the lowest sticker price 2-door compact. And Pinto, America's best-selling subcompact and wagon. Get your Ford dealer's best deal, then a Ford rebate on top of it. Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now.
Ford announced no-nonsense cash rebates of up to $500 on America's best-selling lineup of new 1975 small cars. And things are really moving at your Ford dealer. You get $500 when you buy or lease a Mustang II Ghia, $500 on Mach 1, $300 on other Mustangs, $350 on Super Cab pickups, $200 on any Pinto or Maverick. Get your Ford dealer's best deal now, then get a cash rebate from Ford.
Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now.
I think the toughest thing about being number one is that everyone else wants to take your place. Yet year after year, Ford wagons stay the number one selling wagons. The reason could well be Ford's wagon know-how. Here's the Pinto wagon with Squire option, this country's bestseller by far, showing you can have plenty of room in a small economical size. With a Gran Torino Squire, Ford built special conveniences into a solid midsize, like the famous 3-way door gate. It opens down like a tailgate, and it opens like a door with the window up or window down. And in the beautiful 75 LTD Country Squire, you can order just about anything, from a plush interior like this to these dual-facing rear seats and recreation table. It looks like another winning season for the wagon master.
The closer you look, the better we look. See for yourself at your local Ford dealer.
With car buyers today searching out value, they've bought one 75 newcomer more than all its competitors combined. Ford Granada, designed to combine efficient use of space, fuel, and money. Granada's about the same size and shape as a Mercedes-Benz 280. Sticker price, just $36.98, excluding taxes, title, delivery, and dealer prep. Want an even smaller car? See 1975's best-selling lineup with cash rebates up to $500 from Ford. Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now. With car buyers today looking for value, they're buying one 4-door compact more than all others. Ford Maverick. Even before rebates, Maverick was an outstanding buy with high resale value and a 2-door with the lowest base sticker price of any American compact. Now, get a $200 no-nonsense cash rebate on any Maverick and even use the rebate toward your down payment. Get your Ford dealer's best deal, then Ford's rebate. Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now. Announcing not just a sale, but a way to get a special price on America's best sellers. A bestsellers sale at your Ford dealer. Get a special price on a specially equipped Mustang II, America's best-selling small luxury car. On Maverick, traditionally America's best-selling four-door compact. Or choose Pinto, America's top-selling small economy car. Your Ford dealer has been given a special incentive to give you a good buy on America's best-selling lowest price lineup. Ford means value. See your Ford dealer's complete value lineup now.